Want to change the way you navigate your Samsung Galaxy phone? Whether you like the familiar navigation buttons or the newer swipe gestures, Samsung lets you switch between them in less than a minute. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the settings menu. The quickest way is to swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon in the top right corner. You can also open settings from your app drawer. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find display, then tap it. This menu includes all of your screen-related options, including brightness, refresh rate, and navigation settings. Keep scrolling until you see navigation bar, then tap to open it. Here, you'll find the available navigation styles for your device. If you enjoy the traditional Android layout, select buttons. This will display the back, home, and recent apps buttons at the bottom of your screen. It's a great choice if you're already familiar with button navigation. If you'd rather have more screen space and a modern experience, choose swipe gestures instead. This hides the navigation bar and allows you to move around your phone with simple swipes. It creates a cleaner look and gives apps, videos, and games a more immersive feel. On many Samsung Galaxy models, you can also customize the button order when using the button layout. Simply choose the arrangement that feels the most natural for you. If you switch to swipe gestures for the first time, your phone may briefly explain how each gesture works so you can get comfortable using it. That's it. Your Samsung Galaxy navigation style has been updated. Try both options to see which feels more comfortable and switch back anytime. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.